welcome to another Hooligans Kitchen video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy guacamole recipe. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut up the avocados and scoop the insides into a bowl. So take your knife and take your avocado and cut down through the middle all the way around the avocado, and then we're going to squeeze it like that, and we're going to take this pit out. Then take this spoon and take out all the insides, and I'm going to put them into this bowl, and it's going to be a little messy. And now I'm going to do the next avocado. Again, just cut it down the middle. So I'm going to mash up the avocados and get a decent amount of salt on the avocados. So now they're all smashed up, and I'm gonna add salt and pepper. So I'm gonna take the salt and just get a decent amount of salt over the top. Now pepper. Okay, now I'm just gonna mix it around. The last step is to add a scoop of pico de gallo. And we're gonna want to get a good amount like this of it in there. Now I'm gonna mix it. Now it's ready, and I'm gonna taste test it with a chip. That's really good. Thanks for watching. Hope you try this at home.